Have you ever wondered if the universe, which seems to be ever expanding, could actually start shrinking? A thought-provoking question, isn't it? Well, let's delve into it. Our understanding of the universe has been shaped largely by the Big Bang theory. This theory, widely accepted among scientists, suggests that the universe started as a hot, dense point nearly 14 billion years ago. Since that fiery birth, the universe has been expanding. We see this in the redshift of distant galaxies. As they move away from us, their light shifts to the red end of the spectrum. However, is the universe infinite, or does it have boundaries? These are questions that have perplexed scientists and philosophers alike for centuries. Some theories suggest an infinite universe, stretching out endlessly in all directions. Others propose a finite universe, with boundaries we can't perceive. The truth? We simply don't know yet. But let's throw a spanner in the works. What if, instead of expanding indefinitely or being finite but unbounded, the universe started to shrink? It's a mind-bending concept, but not entirely outside the realm of possibility. In the world of cosmology, which is the study of the universe's origin and evolution, there are theories that suggest just that. These theories propose a cyclic universe, one that expands and then contracts in an endless cycle of big bangs and big crunches. It's a tantalizing idea, one that challenges our conventional understanding of the universe. But how could we even begin to understand if this could happen? Well, it would require a deep dive into some of the most complex and fascinating areas of science: quantum mechanics, general relativity, and dark energy. These fields could hold the keys to understanding the destiny of our universe. Now that we've set the stage, it's time to dive deeper into the science behind these theories. Let's journey together into the vast, mysterious cosmos and explore the possibilities that lie within the fabric of our universe. Are you ready? Let's go! To grasp the concept of a shrinking universe, we first need to understand why scientists believe the universe is expanding. Let's start with the basics. Picture yourself in a bakery, surrounded by the sweet aroma of freshly baked bread. Imagine that the universe is like a loaf of bread in the oven, gradually expanding as it bakes. This is a simplified analogy, but it's a helpful way to visualize the concept of an expanding universe. Now, how do scientists know that the universe is expanding? They have two primary pieces of evidence: redshift and the cosmic microwave background radiation. Firstly, let's talk about redshift. When light from a star or galaxy travels through space, the light waves stretch, causing a shift towards the red end of the light spectrum. This is known as redshift. The farther away a star or galaxy is, the more its light is redshifted. This suggests that the universe is expanding and the objects in it are moving away from us. Secondly, there's the cosmic microwave background radiation. This is the afterglow of the Big Bang, the cataclysmic event that kick-started the universe around 13.8 billion years ago. This radiation is remarkably uniform across the universe, but it's not completely perfect. There are tiny fluctuations in temperature, and these minute differences hint at the initial seeds that gave rise to galaxies and galaxy clusters, further supporting the theory of an expanding universe. So, think of the universe as a self-raising loaf, with galaxies sprinkled throughout like currants in a fruitcake. As the universe expands, these currents move further and further away from each other, just like the redshifted light from distant galaxies. It's a lot to wrap your head around, isn't it? But don't worry, we're all in this cosmic journey together. And who knows? Perhaps the loaf might start to shrink one day. With this knowledge in hand, can we entertain the idea that the opposite might be true? So, what would it take for the universe to start shrinking? To ponder this question, we must first dive into the realm of scientific theories that lead us to the possibility of a shrinking universe. Hold on to your seats as we journey into the cosmos and explore some mind-bending ideas. Let's begin with the Big Crunch theory. This theory suggests that the universe, after expanding for eons, could reach a point where it starts to contract. Think of it as a cosmic game of tug-of-war. On one side, we have the force of the initial Big Bang, pushing everything apart. On the other side, we have gravity, always pulling things back together. If gravity wins this cosmic tug-of-war, the universe could start to implode, eventually shrinking down to a single point, a scenario known as the Big Crunch. But for gravity to win, there needs to be enough matter in the universe. This is where dark matter and dark energy enter the stage. These elusive forces make up about 95% of our universe, yet we know very little about them. Dark energy, in particular, is a mysterious force that is currently causing the universe to expand at an accelerated pace. If the properties of dark energy were to change over time, it could potentially cause the universe to start shrinking. Imagine if dark energy, instead of pushing galaxies apart, started to pull them together. This could set the stage for the universe to begin contracting, leading us towards a Big Crunch scenario. However, it's important to note that these are all theories based on our current understanding of the universe. And in the world of cosmology, new discoveries often lead to new questions, and theories can change. Science is a realm of possibilities, and the shrinking universe is just one of them. So as we continue to explore and understand the cosmos, who knows what other fascinating possibilities we might uncover? Now that we've explored the possibility, what would happen if the universe actually started to shrink? Imagine, if you will, a cosmic shift in reverse. Instead of the galaxies speeding away from each other, they begin to move closer together. The stars, once distant and unreachable, would be drawing nearer, their light growing brighter in our night sky. It would be a view to behold, a once-in-a-lifetime cosmic spectacle. Yet this spectacle would be a harbinger of an impending cosmic calamity. As the universe contracts, the gravitational forces would increase exponentially. Our Milky Way galaxy, along with all other galaxies, would start to feel the strain. Stars, under the weight of increased gravity, might burn brighter and faster, consuming their nuclear fuel at an accelerated rate. This could lead to an early death for many stars, culminating in spectacular supernova explosions or collapsing into black holes. Planets, including our own Earth, would not be spared from this cosmic cataclysm. The increased gravitational pull might cause them to spiral towards their parent stars. Earth could find itself being slowly roasted by an increasingly hot and bloated sun. This would, unfortunately, spell doom for life as we know it. But what of life elsewhere? If there are other life forms out there in the universe, they too would be facing this existential crisis. Perhaps they might be more advanced and have found ways to survive or even reverse the shrinkage. Or maybe, like us, they are looking up at their skies and wondering what's going on. If the universe continued to shrink, eventually all matter would come together in a single point, a reverse of the Big Bang we believe started it all. We call this theoretical event the Big Crunch. It's the ultimate end of the universe, a singularity of infinite density and unimaginable heat. It's a thought that can make one feel small, isn't it? As we contemplate our place in the cosmos, we realize how fragile and fleeting our existence might be. But it also underscores our quest for understanding, our yearning to unravel these cosmic mysteries. After all, it's only by asking these what-if questions that we've come to know the universe as we do today. From endless expansion to possible contraction, the universe never ceases to amaze us. It's a vast, mysterious entity, full of wonders that often challenge our understanding. The idea of the universe shrinking, as peculiar as it may sound, is one such intriguing concept that we've explored today. We began by shedding light on the current understanding of the universe's expansion. The Big Bang Theory, the cosmic background radiation, and the redshift of distant galaxies. All these pieces of evidence point towards a universe that's constantly growing. But like all scientific theories, this is based on our current knowledge and understanding, which is always evolving. Then, we delved into the possibility of the universe shrinking. While this concept might seem far-fetched, it's important to remember that science thrives on questioning, hypothesizing, and testing. The universe's contraction could be triggered by a shift in the balance of dark energy and gravity, a concept that's purely theoretical at this point, but nonetheless intriguing. We also speculated on the implications if the universe were to start shrinking. Would time reverse? Could life still exist? These are profound questions that currently lie beyond our grasp, but they serve as a testament to the limitless curiosity of the human mind. Throughout our journey, we've seen the beauty and mystery of the cosmos unfold. From the vast expanses of space-time to the smallest particles of matter, the universe is a grand tapestry of interconnected phenomena. It's a humbling reminder of our tiny presence amidst the cosmic enormity. As we continue to explore and learn, let's not forget the importance of scientific theories and evidence in shaping our understanding. They are the compass guiding us through the labyrinth of cosmic mysteries. As we continue to unravel the secrets of the universe, who knows what fascinating discoveries await us on the horizon?